Should old acquaintance be?
Everybody, it's your girl Delores, just a pink girl in her pink world here on YouTube, and welcome to Canva New Year. And we're going to learn how to do something special today. Two things. One is printable. Well, both of them are printable, but one of them is personal and special, and one of them is something that you will find cool and you can customize, and you'll never buy one of these again. Okay? So let's start off. Ladies and gentlemen, first thing we're going to learn how to do is calendars. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, who has ever bought a calendar and thought, I wish I could do this myself? You can and you will starting today. Now, I will say, don't start off with a blank slate. Find a template, okay? And so, if you like it where it's at the top, if you like individual dates, different things, start off there and then add on to it, okay? So let's just see. Um, I think this one is very eye appealing to me. So we're gonna customize this template, okay? So as you see, it's got January, February, on and on. So we're gonna customize this, okay? So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete this. We're gonna delete this too. We're just gonna leave the middle part and we're gonna customize that. Okay, just deleting. Actually, you can just hover over it, hit delete, it'll go off. Okay, so now I want to keep on brand pink flower. Wow. Okay, so those are pink flower walls. Let's see how this looks with that, because you have to move things around to fit what you want it to fit. It's a little overpowering. Let's check them all out. This is cute. Covers the whole page. So I really don't have to worry about placement. Okay. So we're gonna customize this a little bit, see if this helps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this my brand color, which is I've already selected and it comes from my photo. So that's how come I got my colors. And so then I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to go to outline. It chose me a color it thought it matches with it. I kind of like it, but I also want to stick to brand color, black. We're gonna go back here. I'm gonna choose this to be black. I'm gonna choose the effect outline. It's a little aggressive. Let's go. I don't like that either. I don't like the way that this is constructed. So let's just go to the fonts. We can choose any one that we want. Kind of like that one also because I'm a blind baddie. Oh, that's some cute writing. Let's see about this one. I've used that one before. I think what I'm going to do is choose a different effect. So effect is choosing black. I kind of like that one better, but we do need to change the font. Let's see. Let's go back. Okay, we'll keep it simple with that. Now we're going to delete this one. Okay, so now we're going to do pink. And to keep, I'm just going to say pink fun. Okay, so I see different types of pink fun. Let's go to bubbles. Okay, So I'm going to bring that up a little bit. Leave that where it's at. Again, different types of fonts. I'm going to choose January. I'm going to choose black. Okay? This is where I can customize this to. Okay? So this is white. I can say I want it to be that color, this color, this color. This color seems to be okay. This is where we get into the details, okay? A lot of the times I try to stretch it out because I might be using things in it once I print it out. Okay, so I literally can make these any color I want to. See, I'm going to leave this as is. I will change some of these, make them dark. You see some of them are very light. As you see, once I click on the box, it stays the same. Okay? And then I want to choose Sunday. Make it black too. Want everything to kind of streamline. Okay? February. I want pink hearts. Let's see. I think this one's very vibey. Oop, still on the page from before. There we go. And then replace image. Okay. Change that to black. Change that to pink. Okay. So that stayed the same. Do you see the theme of it now? Okay. Now I want to make these pink. So I can do that. I'm like, well, actually, let's make it the red. We'll go with the reddish tints in there. So you see how everything turned? Now I need to find a background. I don't want to use the same type of background. I want to use a solid one. So go up top. I want to use this one. A little light. Okay, see? Stands out. I can see all these things. They're great. March. I'm going to do pink, pink. And I chose green because my brother's birthday and he loves green. So shout out to you. Okay. Delete that. Delete this little shadow too. Okay, so March. I'm gonna move that down. Move that down a little bit. Move this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna do black. I'm gonna do this pink to make it stand out. Effects. I'm gonna do outline. A little thick. There we go. And this one right here, I'm going to do a little lift. There we go. There we go. And so, okay. The other ones were solid. We can do a little something, something here. Okay. Place background. It's not pinkish enough. Okay. Replace background. Okay. Want it to be black. 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 And on and on. Okay. So I can do this, which I will probably finish it on to December. Okay. Once I do that, all I need to do is we're going to show you how to do it just with one page. Is that I would click share. Oops, sorry. Click share, save as PNG. Now I could share it. I could just share it to somebody and have them have access where they can print it out. If it's something for family and friends and you just make one and you just want everybody to see it, again, like we showed you in the last video, it could be an open public view. You just send out the links and people be able to see it, print it, download it, do whatever they need to do to it. Um, Save. And so like with this one, I will save the first page or all the pages. I could print this out on my printer, give it to somebody physically, email it to somebody, they print it out physically, which is easy, whatever they choose to do. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new year and we're into new thoughts. The second thing we're going to show you, we're going to go to home, is something that you've heard Tim talk about and something that I said I do. And we're going to talk about vision boards, ladies and gentlemen. So, vision board collage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you thinking, Dolores, you about the vision board with us? No, not about that. I will be vision boarding about my channel, just my channel, not my personal life. Okay. So, we're going to, because that's going to be quick, do this template, customize this template. Okay. So, they have a picture of all the things they envisioned for 2024 on this. So I am going to change for quick amount just to show you 2025 and the things that I kind of want for my channel. Um, we're going to go to pink growth. So I'm going to say I want my channel to grow. Drag it up. Drag it over. It didn't want to click on it, did it? No. No, it didn't. Let's delete this. And then I'm gonna try to replace that growth. Um, okay. So, okay, like this hand. Because I always want to be a helping hand here on the channel. So delete that. Put that right there. You see the vision of things. Um, I'm gonna put this heart behind this growth. Stretch that over again. Let's go layers. We're gonna go all the way back. So show layers. Let's drag that all the way back. Okay. Um, Pink love. Okay. Photos. We're going to choose these photos. That's the clear version. So what I'm going to do is go backwards and we'll choose this one. We can modify this one. So what I'll do is choose the pink heart and I'll put it delete behind here. So we're going to go layers and then we're going to go to send to the back. And when we go send to the back, we're definitely going to see that there are different things. Okay. I want to talk more about health on the channel. I want to do more about nails on the channel. I want to do more about the vision board of 2025 on the channel to do more things, ladies and gentlemen. So see more stuff. Grow as far as gardening. Let's see, pink gaming. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to use this little pink mouse. I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to go background remover. Yep. So I do want to talk about more about health and food and growing. We'll put it right here. Okay. So let's see. Let's go back. Edit. Let's put that back. Okay. So we'll keep that part right there. Delete this. Put this right here. I want to change the color of it, but we'll leave that right there. So we'll actually move this and make it where it goes all the way to the back. Send to the back, and then we'll move this over, move some other things over. We'll put this, set this layer, send this to the back. And you see how it just kind of goes wherever. And now, again, just like anything else, I can download this and keep it on my phone. I can download this, keep this on my computer. If I do it the long ways, like we did the YouTube thumbnail with the calendar, I can print this out, put this on my wall, which I have. Things that I want to see grow in my channel, like more graphics, more of a helping hand, more growth, more gaming, more things where we talk about food and growing and different things, more love at the corner. Uh, just growing as a channel and in part me growing as a person. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you and I have appreciated you. I hope you have a wonderful, a great, an amazing start to the new year. And I will definitely see you then. And until then, peace.
Old acquaintance be forgot, and all lang syne. For